Hey guys, here's the dummy that I made. It's you can hear the bags in there, but looks pretty realistic. Basically, you come through the front door here, and then you would walk in to this apartment or Marina's apartment. See the hand there? Yay. Anyways, I put this in so when you walk through the door and you're going through, you could breeze over and see like, who is this dude standing here? My goodness, what the heck is this? It will raise the arm hair, definitely, and sometimes the hair on the back of your neck, but it takes only a few seconds to realize that it's a dummy and it's a fake. So there we go. The motion sensor light just turned off, so and now it's back on. So anyways, that's old crappy molding coffee grounds, which adds a unique smell in here. Makes it smells a big part of a visual fear thing. So visual and smelling and all that crap. So